So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So into this video, we are going to see like how we can remove the background from a image in a Python. So here we have the small code. What we have to do, we have to first import the library, remove BG, and then we have to import the image. Then we have to provide the part of image which we want to remove the background, and then we have to provide the output part where the image will be saved after remove the background. Then we have to provide the image to the open input part. Then we can remove the part. Okay. Then we just need to save the output in a output part. So it's a small code. So I just also run the command of this to remove the background. So it's takes few seconds to download the package and remove the background. So let's wait and see. And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, then subscribe the channel so that you will not miss the next video. So let's wait and watch. Okay, so as you can see, we got the image of second, which is the complete remove background from the image, and we have original image this. Okay, so it's complete remove the background with the help of this small code. So, so if you like the video, then like and subscribe the channel, and we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching.